We have like almost a complete range of mirrors and furniture, bar counters, also everything.
मोटरसाइकिल और कार खड़ा करना है तो ये 40 to 45 टन्स का जो लोड ले सकता है। ब्यूटीफुली ओपन होता है, यही इसका ब्यूटीफुल एम्बियंस।
This is an era of design. This is an era of architecture, and this is an era. And today we are at D-Arc Build, a show which is dedicated to the architecture, design, building and construction related products and technologies. I am here at Pragati Maidan to cover the D-Arc Build exhibition, and I will take you inside to show you the glimpses of this event. We will talk to the participants and understand their feedback about this event, and we will also make you speak to the organizer and understand from him what have been the key highlights of this maiden edition of D-Arc Build. Come with me as we take you inside and show you the glimpses of the event.
Thumbs up to D-Arc.
Thumbs up to D-Arc.
Thumbs up to D-Arc.
To D-Arc.
We can see here a lot of good brands here in the architecture and design industry. I can see the who's who of the industry participating in this event, and the organizers have made sure that a lot of good brands have participated here. The organizer has made sure that good number of participants, visitors are here. I can see very good footfall at the event, and it's a great event. It's a great vibes. Let us go and speak to the organizer also about the event. So friends, now I am with the very dynamic Mr. Adarsh Singh, the founder and managing director of Zion Exhibitions, and they are the very organizers of this maiden exhibition, D-Arc Build. What a phenomenal exhibition, what a great response they have got despite the weather. So I am going to move the mic to the man in action, Mr. Adarsh Singh. Welcome to Exhibition Showcase. Thank you for giving us time. I'd like to understand from you what have been the highlights of this edition of D-Arc Build, and what kind of participants you've been able to draw here.
So, thank you so much, Raghav, for coming to our exhibition, D-Arc Build. The exhibition concept is based upon design, architecture, building and construction material related technologies. And we have been able to pull more than 130 brands on board this year, which is our first exhibition of the D-Arc Build. But we are going really strong, and we are expecting some international participation also to happen in the next year. We have been talking to a lot of agencies in terms of international pavilion, and the whole world is eyeing the D-Arc Build as a great platform. We have been taking feedbacks from our current exhibitors of this year, and I'm honored to say that they all are really happy because they have got people, they have got architects and interior designers from Pan India who will help them to boost their business. The brand has been working from last 3 years. It is a collective effort of the team, plus the associations that have supported our platform, which is the D-Arc Build. IIA, Triple ID, Architecture Ranjit Shah, HPMF, all big associations are supporting Zion exhibition. And I'm delighted that all these people have great regards towards our brand, which is Zion and the D-Arc.
Okay, and Adarsh, if you could tell me like why people should visit your show, what is the uniqueness, what is the USP, why they should come and visit this event, what would you say about that?
So basically, Raghav, I would like to say that this is an exhibition of its kind. We are not here to compete with anybody, but we are here to make our own mark in the industry. We have been doing some exceptional stuff by creating thoughtful exchange programs and conferences parallelly alongside the exhibition, which every exhibitor plus the visitor has liked. We had certain international speakers on board with us in this year. We have more than 500 architects and interior designers traveling from Pan India to come and visit this expo. I think that is phenomenal. The whole industry is positive about the new platform and the new energy and the vibe that the D-Arc Build presents to the industry. Raghav.
Finally, I would like to understand from you, what is the future of architecture industry? How positive do you feel is the Indian story in this regard?
Actually, Raghav, I really believe that India as a nation has got great potential in terms of ROI, in terms of investment, in terms of sales. People from different countries are eyeing India as the biggest market, and we as Indians should support Indian product, Indian manufacturers. We should support them in every way, and hence this platform is definitely suitable for any manufacturer who's available in India, and they are looking forward to cater to the architecture and design industry. Then the Arc Build is the platform. We have had exhibitors from Pan India right now on our platform, and they are extremely happy by sharing the response, because the kind of niche crowd that we have been able to pull up in the first exhibition, people are really excited about it. That if this is the result in the first year, God knows what are we going to do as a brand after 3 to 5 years. I mean, that's the biggest plan that we have for our brand right now. Raghav.
Wonderful. Thank you and wishing you all the best.
Thank you,
I
Raghav.
am Neeraj Goyal from Mayfair Lighting. We are a 58-year-old company into lighting and poles, serving different kind of clients, builders, government, semi-government and institutional projects. We participated in the exhibition Xeon Architects for the first time, Xeon exhibitions. Wonderful experience so far. That's what I think we should do a great job. The team has been quite supportive and helpful.
Hey, my name is Adhyan Kapoor. This is my company Glassma Mirrors. As you can see, we have a complete variety of mirrors like wall murals, wall art, Venetian mirrors. We even have SS mirrors, resin art, which is very much trending right now, and leatherite. We have like almost a complete range of mirrors and furniture, bar counters, also everything. Till now, it's going good. We are having a lot of inquiries. A lot of people are coming, taking our cards, giving us their valuable feedbacks. So it's going very nice till now.
Myself Kshitij Singh, and we are representing Bestone today, and as you can see, we are having the biggest stall and showcasing all our products and having more than 400 varieties under one roof. And Bestone basically is diversified into many fields like packaged mineral waters, alcohol, which is our Rocky Premium whiskey. We are into IT. We are into Ayurvedic products like Vedovi, which is an e-commerce website, and into this business from last 20 years, and having an enriched experience, which you can also see here. Would like to invite and say that yes, come and have a look at the stall and give your valuable feedback for the company. You should visit here for once. Vibe is very good. The experience is very good. The feedback from the people are very good. Customers are very happy and are very excited to see such an exhibition after 2-3 years due to COVID lockdown. So yes, expecting a good feedback as well as getting a good feedback.
Myself, Ratan Sehgal, I'm from Highborn Elevators. We are here at the Arc Build exhibition, which is at the Pragati Maidan. So we are India's fastest growing elevator brand. So we do designer elevators and coin test ride quality. We serve, the most safe elevators in the country today. So we have installed more than 3,000 elevators in just 9 years, and now we are doing projects with Waves, TDI, Experion, many hospitals, 5-star hotels, and our USP is the designing, customization, and we have showroom on wheels, world's first showroom on wheels. So you're most welcome to visit our showroom. It's really going good. Yeah, it's really going good, and we are having many architects across India. We are having many people from Punjab, many people from Raipur, Chhattisgarh.
Hi, I'm architect Premnath from Mumbai. I'm here at this place called Exhibition for the Xeon Group ARD. For architects design their buildings with the knowledge of materials, technologies, advancements, and use the skill of creative skill to create architecture. Very important for us architects, interior designers to come and visit places like exhibition and see new material, new products, new technologies that are displayed over here, so that you can possibly use it in our works. I suggest all the architect designers and new public should come and see what are the new things happening. New brands, new kind of chairs, furniture, kitchens, hardware, glasses, decorative items, plenty of things to do that. It's a great opportunity. Also at the same time, today we have a need to do building more sustainable architecture. All new products being shown over here are supposed to be sustainable and get such knowledges from collectively from single place. I wish the Zen Group success and happiness in their new ventures and have many more exhibitions. My pleasure and good wishes to everybody. Cheers.
यस मेरा नाम मनीष पटेल है एंड आई एम अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ शक्ति आर्किटेक्चर प्रोडक्ट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड और ब्रांड है सिफोन। हम सारा आर्किटेक्चर हार्डवेयर बनाते हैं, उसमें मोटराइज लॉक्स है, हैंडल्स है, बाथरूम एसेसरीज है, नॉब्स है, काफ़ी फिटिंग्स और भी आइटम्स है सारे। दिन है फिर भी फुटफॉल काफ़ी अच्छा है, एग्जीबिशन का एम्बियंस भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी बड़े बड़े पार्टिसिपेंट भी इसमें है। इसमें काफ़ी हमें पार्टिसिपेट करके अच्छा लगा क्योंकि इसमें जो फुटफॉल है वो काफ़ी क्वालिटी वाले हैं और एग्जीबिटर भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं सारे।
I'm Umesh Narula from EXA Elevators. This is a 32-year-old company specializing in customization where elevators are concerned. So we have 4 verticals. We do passenger elevators, automobile elevators, dumbwaiters, and we also do freight elevators. So here we are displayed our passenger elevators, which are state-of-art and highly customized with an ultra luxury collection. We have had wonderful audience, target audience who really want to buy the elevators and who have really appreciated us very much.
I'm Mayur Bhagat from Saraswati Plastotech. We are one of the largest manufacturers of polycarbonate sheets, which is used extensively for any daylight applications or for safety glazing applications. We are the only manufacturers in India who have state-of-the-art Omipa machines, and we have 5 lines manufacturing high-quality polycarbonate sheets. Wonderful show, I think good show for a first time. Look forward to participating in many more to come.
Hi, my name is Hemant Kathuria. I am from Titan Architectural Hardware. In this exhibition D-Arc Build, we are showcasing the exclusive hospitality solutions. We are also showcasing slimline sliding partitions, modern office partitions, and some of the luxury shower cubicles for high-end residences. We have seen the presence of some of the very renowned architects from the industry, and we also look forward to get more visitors like this in coming days.
Yeah, we are basically from Visakha Industrial Limited, and Visakha Industrial Limited is mainly into manufacturing of fiber cement board. So today we had presented this atom roof solution, which is integrated solar roofing system, and it is a very unique solution which can suffice all your need with all these solution, including your building terminology. D-Arc is a good platform since this is a new platform and this is the first exhibition. We are expecting a pretty good crowd from the exhibition as well as from the architect fraternity also. But yes, we have to wait and watch and see how the system is going and what response we are also getting.
Hi, my name is Yatan and I'm taking care of marketing team in APL Apollo. Well, the crowd is good. They are asking good questions about the product, what they want, what they needed. So overall, a good experience.
Hi, my name is Isha and I am on here on behalf of Kara. We are basically into wooden flooring and other interior and exterior solutions. So we are into hardwood, engineered wood, laminate, Ipe, thermopine, all sorts of outdoor and interior woods. And we are glad to be participating in today's exhibition. Experience has been good, even though it has been raining a lot, but we've had a good turnout and hoping that it gets better by the day.
So hi, I am Shivangi and I am an architect. I am here for the IAA conference which is happening along with the D-Arc exhibition. So being an architect, I feel this exhibition is really helpful for us because they have all kind of materials and everything which we need. And it's not just architects. I think it's best for the interior designers and every other people which are working here. So I think it's really nice and helpful for everybody here.
Good afternoon. I am Dinesh Gupta. I am from Aeron Kitchens. I find this is a good exhibition with good brands and good setup, good management.
I'm constructing my house, and for that my requirements are there. That's why I visited this exhibition. It's quite good. Lot of education information I got it.
पत्थर का काम करता हूँ मैं अपना भी, मेरा आयान मार्बल के नाम से वहाँ गुड़गांव में काम है, और मैं एग्जीबिशन में आया था, विजिट किया, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और अच्छे प्रोडक्ट हैं।
मेरा नाम रॉबिन बंसल है, मैं बाथरूम फिटिंग बिजनेस से ऑपरेट करता हूँ। एंड यहाँ की एग्जीबिशन बहुत अच्छी थी, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा रहा। काफ़ी अच्छे ब्रांड्स एंड काफ़ी अच्छा लेआउट बना हुए हैं।
Organizers have done a wonderful job, and it's a real good platform for all of us interior designers, architects, to meet the actual manufacturer, and hence we'll be kind of evaluating the services, evaluating things for future on onward.